Hello guys, this is my new video about how to wrap geometry on a surface. Um, we have two objects here to demonstrate this quick tips. So we have a carving and a cylinder that need to be attached on a cylinder surface. Okay, let's see first uh, tip. You can use modifier, simple deform modifier. Here, in the second tab, you can find before that you need to reassure that location of the two objects are zero and all the transformation, rotation and locations are zero. You need to edit that, and in edit mode you have to replace it correctly. That will okay. I think yes, that's fine. I think and the gap is also okay. A bit scale down on z-axis. Uh, and move up a little bit. And here I want to rearrange the topology of the cylinder because later I will use shrink wrap modifiers. So it will be little difficult if there is sharp edges that will affect on shrink wrap modifier. So I will make the surface that attach the carving. Uh, I will make that surface very smooth. Okay, I think that's fine. Let's see our first try, first modifier. Uh, Earlier I mentioned that we are going to use simple deform modifier. Mm, fine. Okay. In the second tab, you can see the blend option here. Next, you want to select the axis. That z axis is the axis we want to bend and adjust the angle. That is simple as the name of the modifier name. Simple deform. So you can see here it bend along the z axis. Uh, but in our scenario, it is not applicable for our case because the cylinder is not very straight lines. We have uh, curve type cylinder, so that modifier is not useful for our scenario. So we need to try another um, way to bend the carving. Okay, we want to add some plane that covers the whole carving. I think that's fine. We have to center it, and scale up along the z-axis and scale down on the x-axis, because that is too much width on x-axis. I think yeah, that's fine. That's the correct size. Okay, then it need to join set the parent relationship, um, that plane work as a parent and the carving act as a child. So select the plane and plane, then select the carving, then control click the control P option and you can parent. Then carving modifier need to set the target as a plane object, and we have to bind it using the uh, surface deform modifier. We have a little we missed a little operation in the earlier. Uh, we have to subdivide the plane object here, that need to attach the plane smoothly onto the cylinder surface. I think that's fine number of cuts. Okay, then again we have to we already parented those both object. Then here, surface deform modifier, we have to select the target as the plane and bind it. Then use the sync modifier and target as a cylinder. Okay, uh, that's the correct way to do. You can see uh, nicely shaped as the cylinder surface. Uh, Later we can apply those modifiers to the separate objects and uh, remove unnecessary objects. We can apply that modifier. Still have some more one modifier, that yeah, carving modifier. You have to apply that also. Then our work is done. You can see it will attach very smoothly. It looks like the carving is done on the cylinder surface. Nice. Okay, I think these two tips are really help you in your modeling and your Blender works. Okay, thank you very much. See you guys.